Today is April 11. I am just coming to make the last attempt repair from the dealership from Chevrolet. Here I am in the dealership just to wash again the same issue that I'm getting the all time in this car. Okay, let's try it. Once again. Just let get in. As you can hear, the noise is still there from the vibration coming from the engine. And just bye.